Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this is one that I've been watching on a daily basis for, back as far as I can remember now. I did not trade it today, but I know I'll definitely be watching it tomorrow, especially given a couple of these key dynamics here. And the first key dynamic that I should note, as I've noted in lots of other past videos, this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you there's a lot of people that have noticed this area here at 152 and 50. And when a lot of people have noticed this level, which is going to be a key level of support, so when a lot of people have noticed the same level and are going to be watching and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what's going on here. And what makes 152.50 that much more interesting is there's clearly some selling pressure that has shown up. I get it, selling pressure, those are just words, but that's why I love charts, is because they allow you to take words and then help visualize them. And the easiest way to see the selling pressure that has shown up is that over the course of the day, these highs just kept getting lower and lower. Now, don't get me wrong. Just because there's been selling pressure that shows up does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going down to 152.50 and is going to push down through it. My core point here is that it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have. So that's what I'm very curious about moving forward is, can this 152.50 mark get tested again? And if it does get tested and failed, again, not a guarantee, but at that point, it's a more than rational thought to have that movement could certainly create some downward selling pressure, with the next level of support not being until essentially down there right around the 150.50 mark. So those are going to be the main levels of support I'll be keeping an eye on. As far as areas of resistance, the level that does make things much more interesting is right up around 155 if that level can be broken early on. So we'll see what happens with it. But from the technical point of view, these are definitely going to be the main levels that I watch going into Wednesday. So let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.